How to create Crunchyroll account on Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open any web browser in your laptop or PC. Once you have opened it, search for Crunchyroll and select this website, which is crunchyroll.com. Once you're on this web page, click on this profile icon and select the option of create account. Now, in order to create your account, you will have to enter your email address. Go ahead and do that. Once you have entered the email address, create a password for your Crunchyroll account. Check this box if you want the latest updates from Crunchyroll and click on the option of create account. As you can see, a profile has been created for you. Click on the option of view my profile. You can check out your profile from here. If you want a username, you can generate it from here as well. Now click on the save option after making the changes. As you can see, your profile has been updated. Now the next thing you want to do is verify your email address. Click on this option and as you can see, a mail has been sent to you. Open that mail and here click on the option of confirm email address. Once you click on this option, your email address will be verified, and this is how you can create a Crunchyroll account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.